you must recognize that you are not the story who you believe yourselves to be. And once you disidentify from that story, you have the capacity to access the unlimited nature of your true existence. And it is from this place that unconditional love will pour through your being, because that is your true nature. You don't need to upgrade your personality. You don't need to change yourself in order to become more loving. You just have to remember who you really are. You just have to reconnect within, and it will effortlessly flow through you because you are love itself.